how to make spaghetti and meatballs the D'Alessandro way. First, you need the secret ingredient, 2 eggs, oregano and basil.
And what's this, garlic?
And this is garlic. You need, and most of all, you need this. This is meat bun.
Yeah, what kind of meat is it? Beef?
Pork,
anything else?
beef, pork, and veal. Veal.
What kind of, do you know what kind of animal beef comes from?
Beef comes from a cow. And pork comes from a pig. Veal comes from a baby cow.
All right,
Hard to do it. Step 2.
Where you put the meat in the bowl.
Step 2, put the meat in the bowl. Put the meat in. Crack some eggs.
There we go.
And make sure all the shells are out. Make sure you use soap, because eggs have germs, really bad germs. Nobody knows of the really bad germs. The breadcrumbs. Put breadcrumbs in. And then you spread them out.
Okay, now some
Mush. I'm mushing it. Mush, mush. I'm mushing it. Mush, mush. I'm mushing it. Mush, mush. Mush, mush, mush. This is the most fun part. You know what's even funner?
What's even more fun?
You eat it.
No.
This is basil. You add in the basil.
Okay.
To open. And then you add in the garlic. Lots of garlic.
Okay, that's good.
And then you add in the secret ingredient, which you add in the secret ingredient. Try to guess what it is.
Can we see it up close? Okay.
One hint about the secret ingredient. It's a type of sugar.
This recipe with the secret ingredient.
I did! Hot and spicy breadcrumbs. And you wash your hands together. And then you mush more.
How's that coming? How's it look? Looks pretty good.
Sometimes food from animals have germs in them. Sometimes.
So you need to wash your hands when you're cooking, right?
Right. A lot.
Here's
Your hands. You can wash your hands at the end.
Okay.
And making meatballs is a messy job, so that's one of the things I need to do. And also, the other thing to do when you're making something, have patience. And now we're ready to put them into balls. I made 7 already. I made 7 meatballs already. The size of the meatballs need to be the same sometimes.
That's a,
So if you can rip them in two and then make them into balls. And already I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 meatballs already. And nobody ever can know the secret ingredient. Only the Delisandros can know it.
okay. I think this one is too big.
Okay, this one's too big. See it?
Yeah, now break that up into two and then show how you put it in the sauce so it cooks in the sauce.
You cook the meatballs in the sauce. One down and 8 to go.
How about a little more gently?
We already got 4 in and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to go. And remember, I see it. The sauce is hot. I know why you covered this because it's the secret ingredient. Yeah.
One more.
Then take the spoon, stir the sauce a little,
Then put the lid on.
and then put the lid on.
Put the spoon.
And then you cook for 1 hour. When you're waiting, you can play. That's all until spaghetti dinner. Ciao. One more thing before I leave. You need to make this if you know how to make the spaghetti wiggly, raise your hand.